And today on Ask a Naturalist, we're here to answer your nature questions. Today's question comes from 7-year-old June of Council Bluffs. She asks, how does the weather change so quickly? Sometimes it can be really warm and the next day it can be really cold. We're going to talk about why that happens. First of all, weather occurs because of three main things.
They include temperaure, meaning how warm or cold the air is in an area. Humidity, meaning how much water in the form of gas or water vapor is in the air. Think fog on a foggy morning, or steam rising off of hot water. And wind, which occurs when air moves. In our part of the world, the wind generally travels from the west to the east. When a large area of air has the same temperature and humidity, that area of air is called an air mass. The two types of air masses that we will focus on are warm and cold air masses. Just as wind pushes balloons full of air around, wind pushes air masses around. As an air mass is pushed by the wind, it moves and runs into another air mass. Where the two air masses meet is called a front. Air masses act similarly to oil and water. They don't mix well. Since warm and cold air masses have different characteristics, like temperature and humidity, they behave differently when they meet. In general, warm air rises, like a hot air balloon. Cold air does the opposite. Cold air sinks or likes to stay lower. When a warm air mass overtakes a cold air mass, it slowly rises and nudges the cold air mass out of the way, like this.
Excuse me.
When this occurs, we tend to get stratus clouds and rain. So you could have a sunny day, then a gray, rainy day. If a warm front passes through the area where you live, the temperature will also change, as the cold air mass is pushed out and the warm air mass takes its place. When a cold air mass overtakes a warm air mass, it slams in, pushes hard as it comes in, like this.
Move! Get out the way!
When this happens, it pushes a large mixture of air upwards, which can create cumulonimbus clouds and severe weather like storms. So you could have a hot, sunny day with happy little cumulus clouds on Monday, then storms that night, and a cooler day on Tuesday. Now there's much more to the hows of weather. In fact, there's an entire field of study called meteorology, and people who study the weather are called meteorologists.
There you have it, June. If you have a nature question for us, send it to the email below. We'll see you next time on Ask a Naturalist.